Good day, everyone. Today we're going to study about the nature of conflict. This is Vicky Fortuna Oliveros. The word conflict has been derived from the Latin word conflictus in the early 15th century. Actually, conflictus comes from two words, com and flegere. Com means together and flegere means to strike. And conflict has many definitions. According to Oxford Dictionary, a conflict is a serious disagreement or argument, typically a protracted one. And according to Merriam-Webster, it is a struggle for power, property, and others. So from the definition, we can say that conflict is a disagreement or a struggle between two parties, two ideas, or two entities. Mayers in 2008 says that conflict is a perceived incompatibility of actions, goals, or ideas. The elements of conflict are much the same at all levels, from nations at war to cultural disputes within a society to individuals in a marital dispute. And according to Erik Erikson's theory of psychosocial development, it is a conflict is a turning point during which an individual struggles to attain some psychological quality, sometimes referred to as psychosocial crisis. This can be a time of both vulnerability and strength, as the individual works towards success or failure. Conflict in psychology is the arousal of two or more strong motives that cannot be solved together. A youngster, for example, may want to go to a dance to feel that he belongs to a group and does what his friends do. So, to sum it up, it may be said that conflict refers to the struggle in which the competing parties attempting to reach a goal strive to eliminate an opponent by making the other party ineffectual or by annihilation. So, at this point, what are the characteristics or nature of conflict? Actually, it has different characteristics. Number one, it is a universal process found in every society. So, you can expect that there is always conflict wherever we go. Number two, it is the result of deliberate and conscious efforts of individuals or the groups. Number three, the nature of the conflict is personal and direct. In conflict, the incumbents or participants know each other personally. Number four, it is basically an individual process. Its aim is not directly connected with the achievement of the goal or an objective, but is rather directed to dominate others or to eliminate the opponent. Number five, conflict is a brief duration, temporary, or intermittent in character. But once begun, the conflict process is hard to stop. It tends to grow more and more bitter as it proceeds. Being temporary, it gives way to some form of accommodation. Number six, it is a process loaded with impulsiveness of human emotions and violent passions. It gains force and then bursts open. Unlike fighting of animals, generally in human groups, the spontaneous fighting is inhibited. It is often avoided through the process of accommodation and assimilation. It may be latent or overt. In the latent form, it may exist in the form of tension, dissatisfaction, contravention, and rivalry. It becomes overt when an issue is declared and a hostile action is taken. Number eight, it is cumulative. Each act of aggression usually promotes a more aggressive rebuttal. Thus, termination of conflict is not easy. Number nine, groups previously in conflict may cooperate to achieve a goal, considered important enough for them to unite despite their differences. And number 10, it may emerge as a as a result of opposing interests. It is layered in a history of binary perception, such as exile, homeland, outsider, insider, us, them, patriotic, unpatriotic. So that is what is meant by binary perception. Number 11, it has both disintegrative and integrative effects. It disrupts unity in a society and is disturbing way of setting issues. A certain account of internal conflict, however, may serve indirectly to stimulate group interaction. External conflict can have positive effects by unifying the group. So those are the different natures of conflict. This time we're going to discuss the different types of conflict. Let us watch this video clip.
Good morning, everyone. Today we will talk about the 4 types of conflicts. I will now show you a video to help you understand better.
Hey everyone, I'm Andra. Did you know that there are actually 4 different types of conflict stresses that you go through in your everyday life? No? Okay, then allow me to show you. Approach, conflict. A choice between 2 positive alternatives, but you can only choose one. Food! Oh, I only have enough to buy one. Should I buy the cake or the burger? Avoidance, conflict. A choice between 2 negative alternatives. Oh, my room is so messy, but I'm too lazy and tired to clean it. I'll just do it tomorrow. I'm so hungry. I should go grab some food. Hey Dad, I'm hungry. What's for dinner?
Dinner? Have you seen the state your room is in right now?
I'll just clean it tomorrow.
No! You said that last week. You either clean your room or you go to bed without dinner.
Oh no! Approach, avoidance, conflict. A choice of whether or not to do something when part of the situation is positive, but the other is not. I need to buy a new laptop since mine broke. I really like this one. I think I'll take this one. Let's check the price. $2,000? I don't know whether I should spend that much money or not buy it. Double approach, avoidance, conflict. A choice between 2 alternatives that have both good and bad aspects. Now that I'm on winter break, I don't know whether I should go to my dad's side of the family or my mom's. My dad's side is all the way in Utah, but they give the best presents. My mom's side, however, is nearer, but they give the worst gifts. Which should I choose? Well, those are the examples of the 4 types of conflict. This is also the end of the video. Goodbye!
Okay, class, that will be all for today. Class is dismissed.
Created using Powtoon.
So that is all about the definition, the nature, and the types of conflict. This is Vicky Fortuna Oliveros. Thanks for watching.